All right, guys. So quick heads up. Wait a minute. Quick heads up. So I so last year we didn't. I came home from Jamaica, guys, and when I came home, the temperature. The next day, I think the temperature was like 83 degrees in the house. So I decided to turn on the air conditioning unit, right? So I switched off the heat and I switched on the air. And in the evening, later in the evening, I started coughing, just coughing so much. I'm telling you, I coughed so much to my diaphragm started hurting. The next day, yesterday, just coughing so much. And I would drink a lot of water. I'm drinking the water. But I still am coughing. And what had happened? I turned on the air conditioning and the filter was not changed. And guys, this is what it looks like, right? So this morning my husband went out and he bought the new filter and put it in, took this out. And all of a sudden, you know, I needed to remind us that if you have air conditioning unit in your homes, make sure that you're changing them. We have central air. So this filter, once it comes off, then we get the air through the vents. The air comes out through the vents. And I just think of some buildings that you're sitting and working in, guys, day in, day out, day in, day out. And the hot weather comes and they flick on the air conditioning unit if you're lucky to have one. I know I'm saying, isn't it? It might be better for just have a fan that you could wipe down because you're seeing the dust build up and the stuff that's there. But they turn them on, and now you have to wonder, are they cleaning these filters? As it catches the dust and whatever else it's training from hitting your lungs, are they cleaning them, changing them? Because, see, Donnie took this out. This morning I got up, I was coughing a little bit. I had some, what is it, soursop bitters, something like that. Um, I had some ginger tea without sugar. And I was still coughing a little bit. Not, but now it's like for hours now, and I haven't been coughing one iota. I don't have this close to me right now, so I'm just like, you know. So, guys, as I thought of this, as I see this, it's also for your dryers. Remember to clean out the lint filter. Clean those things out, guys, because they're catching stuff in them. And if we're not cleaning them out, they're building up, and then they can create other problems. So as you go to work, make sure you're having a little conversation with the people around you, like, well, the filter's clean before you turn this air on, because we know summer is going to be interesting because winter wasn't so bad this year. So with all the flooding Florida had theirs, the Fort Lauderdale area, South Florida, California has been going through the mess, all the tornadoes and all those chaotic things. Yesterday there was some kind of earthquake that touched down that it touched Miami, it touched Florida, it touched Cuba, Jamaica, Haiti. Um, so guys, we have to be prepared. But at least let us make sure that what's going into what we're inhaling, it's 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 not really creating a worse problem for us. We know there are going to be issues. We know with weight issues and this issue and that issue. It is not easy, but we have to go on living. And if our lungs can suck in good air, then you know what? It will prolong something. So I just wanted to share, guys. It's just a quick video. It's nothing long. I'm just saying the thought came to me. So this has nothing to do with cleanliness because it's just that last year we didn't change a filter. The air run and we didn't change a filter. So Nani went out this morning and made sure that he changed it. So for the time since it has been changed, I have been good. I could sing for you right now. I could sing for you right now. And but I'm just saying, be careful. Remind them. My school, we have no windows to open because you have. They used to have the windows where you could push them up and put or pull them down. But you know, kids come in, they're disturbed and unbeknown to you, kids might, jump out through the window. So they didn't give us any windows to open this year. So everything is dependent on that air that circulates in that whole three, first, second, third, four-story building. So I can just imagine what those filters look like, and I'm just praying that they're clean, that the custodians give us clean filters as we get ready for this heat for the summer. So guys, whatever you're doing, just stay safe. Do the best you can do to take care of you, because believe me, nobody's going to do it for us. We have to make sure that we're on point and making sure that our surroundings are safe and healthy enough for us to continue onward, right? So just touching base again, short video. Just remember, make sure the filters get cleaned before the air comes on, because what is in the filter is what circulates around, and that's what you are inhaling again. So honestly, for the hours now since it went in, I've been clear, I've been good, and I know that I'm allergic to so many stuff. I'm allergic to the dairy foods. I'm allergic to shellfish. I'm allergic to honey. I'm allergic to dust and dust mites. I'm allergic to roach droppings, I think, when they did the test. I'm allergic to so many trees here in the New England area. So I'm allergic to the pollen. So in the spring, when everything starts coming up, yeah, this is my time to become my eyes and the congestion. So let's see what happens. So far, so good. We have flowers springing, we have trees budding. But so far, thank God. We'll see if I need to just pack up now, move back to Jamaica, because when I'm there, the trees in Jamaica doesn't bother me. But the trees here in New England, it's tough go in the springtime when all the trees are budding. So enjoy your dinners, guys. Make sure that whatever it is, give God thanks, give him the glory, and let him know you appreciate all the things that he has done for you. And when you talk to him and he sees that you have a thankful heart, he will provide more for you. Take care.